Ever wonder why your doctor keeps talking about getting your heart rate up? Turns out, they're not just reminiscing about their morning coffee. Keeping your heart pumping has real benefits, and it doesn't mean signing up for a marathon unless you feel like showing off. As we age, staying active is one of the best ways to keep the old ticker happy. Heart health means better circulation, more energy, and staying mobile, because nothing says senior goals like being able to dance at your grandkid's wedding. But the key is finding workouts that strengthen the heart without sending it racing like a greyhound on a sugar rush. We all know the feeling. You start a workout with the best intentions, only to end up exhausted, wondering if you've done more harm than good. The secret? Heart-strengthening exercises don't have to be intense or complicated. It's all about consistency and knowing your limits. So let's break down a few exercises that keep your heart in shape without making it feel like you're about to relive gym class. Done right, these exercises can boost heart health, improve circulation, and keep energy levels steady. And the best part? You can do them without fancy gym equipment, overpriced trainers, or thankfully any pop quizzes on sports lingo. Action steps. Walking. A brisk 20-minute stroll is fantastic for the heart and easy to work into your day. Chair aerobics, perfect for home. Lift arms and legs while seated for gentle cardio that gets the heart moving. Dancing, put on some tunes and move. It's heart-friendly and surprisingly fun. Water aerobics. If you like the pool, water's gentle on joints and makes for an effective cardio workout. Biking, stationary or outdoor, biking is low impact and great for heart health. These heart-pumping moves will keep you active and energetic. No marathon required. Stay tuned, subscribe and follow.